All right, good morning, Algebra 2 students. Today is Thursday, December 3rd, and we are just reviewing for our test, which is coming up tomorrow, Friday. Looking at the folder for today, there is just a couple of review videos. If you're not attending live class, then you are to watch the review videos. And then there's just an assignment getting ready for the test, right? And if you do okay on this assignment, you should be ready for the test. If not, always reach out and ask questions and I can make help videos. I do put those in there as kids ask. So if you look at yesterday's, I got asked about 4 and 5, so I put some help videos in there. But yeah, certainly reach out and ask any questions you might have to be ready as you can for that test. So that's pretty much it. Have a good day, and then tomorrow, remember there's no live class or anything, so just be doing the test sometime between 7 a.m. and 3 p.m. school hours. That's it. Have a good day.